Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. Let us look into Excel left formula. It takes two parameters. One is text and the second one is the number of characters. This formula extracts the given number of characters from the left side of the text we supply to it. So let's see, for example, equal to left of, let's consider this, I've taken A to Z here, and common number of characters, I just say 5. Say okay. Can you see A, B, C, D, E? Let's take this formula for all inputs. Yeah, can you see the numbers? It extracted only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from Microsoft Excel it extracted only micro, from A only A, from A space B it took A space B, which is less than the 5 characters.